Good morning, my dear students. This is Alahari Manoj Kumar. Now I am going to explain about continents and oceans. Second session. In this lesson, second session, I will explain now. In this session, I will explain you plains, oceans. The large areas of islands that are flat on top, that is called plateaus. Last session I explained you. The large areas of highlands that are flat on top, those areas are called as plateaus. Plateaus are also called as tablelands. Plateaus are also called as tablelands. Large area of land that is totally flat, that is called plain area. Large area of land that is totally flat, that is called plain area. Plain area is favorable for agriculture. Plateau areas are not supporting to agriculture. All agricultural activities are taking place in plain area. Indo-Gangetic plain, Krishna Godavari basin area, Krishna Godavari area, delta area. These are all plain area, so that area is very favorable for agriculture. Our country name is India. India totally dependent on agriculture. Even now, agriculture playing very important role. Okay na? That is about plain. Do you understand plain? We have coastal. For example, in Andhra Pradesh, adjacent to Andhra Pradesh, Bay of Bengal existed. Located Bay of Bengal. So beside Bay of Bengal, middle of adjacent to Andhra Pradesh, which area is located? Coastal plains are located. For example, if you see, so this is coastal area, east coast, west coast. Coastal areas also plain areas. These areas also favorable for agriculture. Do you understand regarding that? Then that is about plain. Now coming to the point, topic oceans. Large water bodies connecting the continents, surrounded by oceans, surrounded by continents, these are called oceans. Do you understand the definition? Okay. Large water bodies separated by continents, those are called oceans. Last session regarding continents, I explained you how many continents we have. Yes, we have 7 continents. On which continent we are living? Yes, Asian continent. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Africa is the second largest continent. North America is the third largest continent. Okay, South America is the fourth largest continent. Antarctica, fifth largest continent. Sixth, Europe. Seventh, Australia. Now coming to the topic oceans. How many oceans we have? Yes, 5. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, fifth, Southern Ocean. How many oceans we have? 5. What are they? Pacific Ocean. This is the largest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Okay, Pacific Ocean, largest and deepest ocean. Shape is circle or O. Second one, Atlantic Ocean. Shape is S. Indian Ocean. Shape M. Arctic Ocean. Okay na? Northern hemisphere. If you observe northern hemisphere, that part Arctic Ocean is located. Antarctica Ocean, sometimes called as Southern Ocean. Pacific Ocean water bodies, Atlantic Ocean water bodies, and Indian Ocean water bodies all together forming Southern Ocean. Okay, I will explain you few important terms. Island. This is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island. All four sides Sri Lanka covered by water. All four sides Sri Lanka covered by water. That's why it is called as island. Sri Lanka is an island country. Australia. Australia is continent as well as country. Island continent is Australia. Australia also all over the continent, all over the country surrounded by water bodies. What is archipelago? Suppose these are Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands located adjacent to sea. Okay na? Sea water touches these Andaman Nicobar Islands. A group of islands very near to the sea area, okay, touches the sea. Those islands are called as archipelago. Okay. Best example for archipelago, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Island, four sides covered by water. Peninsula. India is a peninsula. Three sides it is covered by water, one side it is covered by land area. That's why it is called as peninsula. Arabia Peninsula, India Peninsula. For example, if you see India, east side Bay of Bengal is located. West side Arabian Sea is located. Down Indian Ocean is located. Top here land area is located. That's why India is a peninsula. I explained you very important terms: island, peninsula, and archipelago. Example for archipelago, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Do you understand? Example for island, Sri Lanka, Australia. Example for peninsula, India, Arabia. I am summing up this session. Up to now, I explained about continents and oceans. Open your textbook, line to line, you read, then note down your doubts. If you have any doubts, immediately ask me. Before ending this session, I will tell you one important point. All together, mountains, plains, plateaus, continents, oceans, relief divisions, we called as relief divisions. In your textbook, initially relief divisions given, one term given. Okay na? Don't worry. Relief means if you observe the land area contains plateaus, plains, mountains, peaks, valleys. These are all located, different rivers, these canals, all located in land area. These all together we can say relief divisions of particular area, relief divisions of India. Okay now, do you understand relief divisions? Okay now, plains, plateaus, then valleys, mountains, all together we can say relief divisions. Everything I explained you, all relief divisions I explained you regarding mountains, plains, valleys, oceans. Okay now, everything I explained you. Thank you very much.